My name is Katheryn Farrago. I'm an executive assistant with DCG. I started actually in 2006. I came over from IBM with the PC acquisition. Well, actually, that's an interesting story because my grandmother was AB negative, and my mother grew up watching her donate in emergencies. She remembers an instance where they came to the house, the policeman came to the house for a very bad accident, and they did a person-to-person donation, which of course would not be allowed anymore. And so my mother grew up donating. I had the opportunity at a prior job to start assisting with this, and I enjoyed it very much. And since I donate anyway, I've just continued. Well, we have a couple of different ways that we support the Red Cross. The primary way is that we hold drives at both of our locations in Morrisville, and the maximum number that you can hold drives is 6 times a year because that is how quickly the human body can regenerate the cells, and we do have at both sites 6 drives every year. So that's the primary way, that's the most visible way that people see. But Lenovo also, through the Lenovo Foundation, supports the Red Cross with various grants, particularly they support nonprofit organizations. Well, there's multiple ways that I feel like I'm supported by Lenovo in this activity. So first, of course, is that I get to be away from my desk. And the day of the drive, that can be 6 to 8 hours, depending on what goes wrong or doesn't go wrong. In addition, whenever I put out an email asking for help, sometimes there's a blood drive crisis, a bus broke down and now we're short, there's been a hurricane. I've always gotten really great responses. I can even send emails to my distribution list the day of, and people swarm over. And then we end up turning people away because there's only so many chairs on the bus. I've been doing this so long, and my perspective really is in helping the blood centers more than the actual people. But each unit that we have collected can support up to 3 people if they separate it out into its components. So just at Lenovo, we could possibly have supported over 1,000 people. I sometimes feel like I don't do enough for the community because I don't have time to volunteer outside of work. But I'm able to remind myself that I actually do help and I'm very visible, so I can encourage other people